In this video, I'll be showing you how to take apart and replace the screen on the Acer NITRO 5 AN515-51-55WL. Start by removing the tabs on the top of the screen in between the bezel and the back of the screen. Using a thin metal or plastic tool, you carefully slide it in between and gently turn in order to pop the tabs out. Once you have finished removing these snaps, you may remove the bezel. Next, move on to removing the 4 screws in each corner of the display. These come out using a standard small Phillips screwdriver. Once you have removed these, pull the display down from the top and lay it face down on the keyboard. Next, pull off the tape and carefully remove the connector from the LCD. With the old screen gone, you will take your new screen and reattach it the same way. Carefully reconnect the same connector you unplugged before. Align it correctly and push it in. This may be difficult to do at first, so don't worry if you don't do it in your first try. Once you've ensured it's in place, you may now return the screen back to the original position. Turn the screen on to ensure it's working, then reassemble the screws and put the bezel back on. It should snap neatly into place.